What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the tools you'll need to change a flat tire are located in the 2018 Volvo XC90. So it's an 18 XC90 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. All those items we just talked about are going to be located in the rear of the vehicle. So you'll need to open the back hatch. And then if your third row is not already down, go ahead and put that down. And you may have an additional liner right here. If you do, go ahead and remove that. Then we'll pick up on this handle here, and this whole lid will pick up. You can flip it back, and it kind of comes off there like that. Now you can see the outline of our spare tire right here. There's this liner in here that we'll just reach in and pick up, and that'll pull out like that. And now we can see our spare tire and those other items we talked about right here. So there's this wing nut in the middle that you'll need to loosen. I've already got this one loosened up to save time. But spin that all the way out, and it'll come out like that. Once you have that out, this tray right here that has, this is going to have our jack in it right here. This is the lug nut wrench right here. And there's a few additional items too that won't really be used for changing the tire, but there's a towing hook that screws in, and then you can tow from here. And there's also some rags and a little funnel to use. But for changing a spare tire, we'll have our jack, has the handle on it, and our lug nut wrench right here. So we have those, and then the actual spare tire itself is right here. Once that's out of there, then this is able to just pick up, and you can pull that right out. And that should be everything that you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.